corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across right. Just a piece. Drop the data, now we plotting inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push a P. I'm push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push a P. 40 P's on her knees.
Hey loves, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are okay and I hope you guys are safe, and happy new year to everyone. Oh my god, I sound so cranky because I just woke up and I'm tired. I was working the whole week. No, not a whole week. Why am I exaggerating? I was working Monday to Friday and I'm off Saturday, Sunday, like a normal person. So I'm happy for that because now going forward, I'm gonna be off weekends. Isn't that nice? I really like that for me. And I finally found someone to fix the fridge. So they're gonna come and fix the fridge. I'm so excited for that. So I'm going to be doing groceries. So here's what I'm gonna do. Obviously clean up myself. The place is not dirty. I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna go to my favorite coffee shop, of course, because I need to grab a bite and gain some strength. After that is done, I am gonna go to the butchery, get some meat, get veggies, get a few maybe groceries, and I'm gonna go to Woolworths because I want what's this thing? I wanna get wine as well. And I also need to get some hairpiece because I need to braid my hair. I'll be braiding my hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record that, but I might, depending on what hairstyle I'm gonna be doing. So from the coffee shop, I'm just gonna take an Uber to Woolies, and then because Woolies is in Gandhi Square and I stay in Marshalltown, morning. I don't know, but you get the gist. My friend is gonna come through. I'm actually making new friends this year also. I'm still friends with my friends from last year as well, but I'm just getting to know more people this year. So Tapel is gonna come through today and we're just gonna chill. I had initially wanted us to go to the rooftop. We have a cute rooftop where I live, buy some meat, get some drinks, but I also don't wanna spend money that I don't have, you get me? So I just want an intimate thing. If he's not coming, it's okay. Even if he is gonna come because he's not doing anything today because we've been talking about it. So that's what I'll be doing today, and I don't wanna blab, really, I don't wanna blab. And I need to get myself a dress because we have an event at work. Because one thing about my job, child, we're gonna dress up. So yeah, I'm getting my hair done. I'm probably gonna do goddess braids, and yeah, I'll do goddess braids actually. So let me just get ready and leave, and then I'll take you guys with me. This is the last time you talking to me throughout. I'm gonna mute the sounds and I'll just be music all the way. And guys, abantu baseJoburg baphuma kumakhaya kanjani? I live next to my right? Abantu baseGoli and bazi baphuma kumakhaya kanjani? Let me show you how it looks outside actually. It's only 8 in the morning, mind you, or 8 a.m. Let me show you what it looks like outside. My skin is not bad, huh? It's not bad. Also guys, let's talk about this shortage of contraceptives. I don't understand. So we have a clinic at work, right? So that's where I'd get my contraceptives, like monthly, because I'm on the pill. So they give you monthly. They don't want to give you for 3 months. Yeah. So they give you a monthly. So I went, I think it was like 2 months ago. I went and I asked for Eland or for the pills. But they're out of stock. They're gonna be delivered at a certain day. When I got there, they're not there. Needle injection is also not there. I'm not a fan of needles. I don't like anything that's gonna prick my body. I know I like piercings and talking about piercings, I need to get my septum back. But yeah, and yeah, there's just no contraceptives. I even went Izolo before my day of Izolo was like Friday. I went there and I was told that they don't have any form of contraception. So what I am is umitha kwam uzogcina ngubani lo mntana yabo. So I told the sister, babes, uzamgada. Kidding. Oh, another thing. I actually the Wednesday I was passing by my friend where I used to live. At the reception area, now me bumping into the manager, and I'm like, wait, they didn't want to take their key. I bump into the manager, and then I'm like, oh, he greets. I greet him back. I don't know if that guy is okay. He didn't even ask for his key or anything. And I was like, nah, it's clear. He wanted to rob me. He just wanted to rob me. And also another update. There's a lot of updates. Mona is so grown, you guys. She's so big. I want to get another plant. Let me show you. Mona. She's so big. The last time I checked, she was growing one leaf. Now it's two. One leaf. Now it's 2 leaves. Let me show you. And she's growing so fast. I think she likes it, yeah, and I like it as well. That's how I'm able to tell if a place is good. Most of the time, if my plant is growing, then I like that. If not, then it's a problem. Because there's sufficient light, like literally right now, I don't have any ring light on. It's just natural lighting, and I like that for me, child. So let me show you Mona, actually. So that's Mona. Yeah, I gave her that planter. When I put her in the planter, the water doesn't escape. The water doesn't escape because there's no holes underneath. So what I did instead, I just flipped it and then just put her on top of that until I get like a proper basket. And then I'll just put a basket on top of the planter anyway. So this is my baby. She almost died, guys. When I tell you she almost died when I was in that place, she almost died. Because look at this. Look at this. But look at her now. Guys, is this not cute? I keep taking videos of this daily so that I can see the progress. And I'm going to do a reel because one thing about me, child. And then this is the second one. And yeah, so now I'm just going to get a new one. But I don't know when. I want a snake plant though, so that when my place finally comes.
That contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. No wish it was different than what it was. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. No missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the mission. You don't wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the universe, lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. Make you feel just like this. If you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
Boost. If they want the drama, got the O's. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard hand for her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pull out $1 million cash, told I plank on it.
Running fast from where it was, jump quick to the paycheck. Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
Oh my god, you guys, opening this was so hard. Like, really, how hard does it have to be? I tried knives, I tried scissors, but this time around, well, you didn't see this one on camera, I actually smashed it on the floor, and then finally it opened. Like, really, guys, you're awesome. Alright, scrubber in hand and the polish. Let's get polishing. This is supposed to make my floors shiny. Did it make them shiny? Hell no, it didn't. At first I thought it's because I was using a damp cloth. I call it a skorobo because it's a towel. It's an old towel that we use to koroba the floor. I don't know where the meaning comes from, but whatever. It didn't make it shiny at all. I had to change and use a dry cloth. Still didn't make any difference. Looks like it's making some on camera, but nope, it didn't really. Just give it a few minutes, you'll see it's gonna go back to normal. See? But yeah, let's continue to see what's gonna happen. But I'm so disappointed, really, so disappointed. Yo guys, if you felt what I was feeling at that moment, Aisha, you'd hate yourself. I don't know why I put myself through all that labor. What for? Look at the flow, it's still the same. It didn't do anything really, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I won't lie, it does give the house a fresh smell. As much as it's not shiny, it's not doing what it's meant to do. I'm not gonna lie to you. And it sucks because I went to like 3 stores. I went to ShopRite, Pep, and the butchery where I went because they have like a section where they sell detergents. And they're like, nah, get this one. What? Guys, what do you use for your floor? Because I want like a shiny floor. It must be shiny. I want a shiny floor. But it is what it is. Anyway, I'm so tired. Dang. But anyway, let's get to it.
I can't call it, so I ain't got no time to wait. I've been down and out for too long, and I ain't got too many answers. Move too fast, live too fast, ain't no such thing as too fast. I drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast, ain't no such thing as too fast.
So Tabelo had arrived here, so on my way to get him, I stopped by the liquor store, got myself that, I don't know how to pronounce it, but decided to try it out because people are raving about it. They're going on and on about how nice it is. Also picked up a few veggies because, well, they just fixed my fridge, so I'm only starting to buy things now. Also, if you don't have a drawer where you stash your plastics, are you even South African? But that's not the point. So let's just unpack that, and definitely gonna have that drink because it is so hot outside. It is so hot. Also got a few hair pieces because I'm gonna do my hair. And I talk a lot. I just realized because this whole time I don't even know what I was saying. But whatever it was, it is not for public consumption, child. And yeah, I decided to get a few drinks for him as well. His and hams. What am I saying? Hims and hams. Okay, never mind. His and hers. It's his and hers. I was just trying to pull the hims and hams kind of thing that I came across on Twitter, but I jinxed it. Alright, into the vlog.
I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing. I wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the universe. Lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you make you feel this like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your solid treatment. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring. You switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the mission. You wish it was bigger than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the night. Lost in the finding us. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. Share your view to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, share your view to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. If you wonder if I hate you, share your view to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, share your view to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
I'm gonna catch the feeling while she push up against me. Oh, she tipsy. I had enough for 24. I picked you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like Coco. And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Why not? A fucking good time, never married nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not for party. If you love me, girl, then I'm so, so sorry. I gotta give it to you like we in a marriage. Oh, like we in a hurry. No, girl, nobody. You're on your level too. Tryna do what lovers do.
Feeling like I'm fresh out